This is the new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today we are checking out its camera samples and design. Let's go.
The Note 12 Pro Plus has evolved in a familiar form factor that the Note series is famous for. It's chunky with flat edges and definitely a bigger size. The variant with us is in the iceberg blue color. There are two more colors that are available, the Arctic white and the obsidian black. The smartphone has carried forward classic Redmi Note features. We get a headphone jack here along with an IR blaster as well. On the back we have a 200 megapixel triple camera setup. Let's check out some samples. The selfie camera is a 16 megapixel sensor.
We will be coming out with its full review and an unboxing. Watch out. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.